Hey guys, welcome to JR Sportscards Chronicles. Today, I'm going to be revealing Volume 11 of the Rookie Card Explosion box by Philmington. So this is a highly anticipated monthly subscription box by Philmington. Great rookies. We're looking for a list of rookies that are included inside the box. So this is the Volume 11 for November 2019. So let's get ripping. So here's a list that he usually includes in the box. So we have 1983, actually that's supposed to be a 1981 Fleer pack, BBCE authenticated. We have a pack of a 2012 Bowman, 2014 Update, 2017 Topps Chrome, 2017 Topps Heritage High Number, 2017 Topps Update, 2018 Topps Update, 2019 Topps Chrome, 2019 Topps Chrome Update, and 2019 Topps Series 2, and finally 2019 Topps Update. So these are the actual rookies that we're going to be looking for in each of the packs. So I'm going to go ahead and hold this here so you guys can pause it and take a look at all the rookies. So as I go through each of the packs, I'm going to be revealing the key rookies we're going to be looking for. So, and actually the first pack is a 1981 Fleer, so these are not the rookies that we're looking for. I think 1981, we're not sure what rookies we're looking for there, but you know, we're always looking for Hall of Famers, so those are definitely considered as hits. I think these come in order, so I'm just going to be taking these out, putting them in order. There's the backdrop, and actually gonna hold this. All right, let's get ripping. So here we have the 1981 Fleer. The gum. All right, and we have John Littlefield, Warren Cromartie, Jeff Twitty, Dave Edler. Huh, interesting. Double of Dave Edler. Ellis Valentine. Oh, Dale Murphy. Cool. I know it's not the rookie, but fourth year card, not bad. Dale Murphy's on the ballot this year for Hall of Fame, so that would be interesting if he gets in. Craig Reynolds. Oh, Dave Winfield, nice hit. Off-centered, but pretty cool card. Don't have this one, so it's a nice card. Dave Winfield, Hall of Famer. Alan Harshgeimer, Bill Cardell, Jim Bibby, Gene Tennis. Oh, Johnny Bench, nice. It's too bad these are off-center left to right. There's a couple marks there on the right-hand side. It's a cool card, Johnny Bench. I like how they have the batting average in a circle over here. It's pretty cool. Jerry Dibzitsky, Tim Stoddard, and Todd Cruz. So pretty cool. I mean, got a couple Hall of Famers here and Dale Murphy card, so not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Next up, we have, I believe this is the 2012 Bowman. So 2012 Bowman, we're looking for base cards of Anthony Rendon, Xander Bogaerts, Josh Bell, Garrett Cole, Bryce Harper, Eddie Rosario. Autos of all of those names as well. All right. We have, it's hard to read these names here, Dylan Betances, rookie card. We have, Bumgarner, pretty cool. This must be I guess it's a second year card. Not the rookie card, but a second year Bumgarner. That's pretty cool. We have Jeremy Hellickson, Carlos Martinez, Bowman Force Chrome. I remember Carlos Martinez was a highly touted prospect. Not sure what happened to him, but it's his first Bowman card. Pretty cool. Chrome card. Our gold card is, ooh, nice. Aroldis Chapman. Pretty cool. And this is not the rookie card. I think it's his second year card, if I remember correctly. But that's pretty sweet. Gold card. Troy Tulowitzki, Bowman's Best. Pretty cool. We have Luis Heredia, first Bowman card. Jonathan Galvez, first Bowman card. Bud Norris. And finally, the Hanley Ramirez space card. All right, pretty cool. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Next up, we have the 2014 Topps Update. And here we're looking for rookie baseball or rookie and parallel cards. And here we have base and parallel cards of Mookie Betts, George Springer, DeGrom, Eugenio Suarez, and George Polanco. All right. And we have Chris Colabello, Derek Barton, Joaquin Arias, Chris Capuano, Jose Bautista, Power Players. Ooh, we have a red of Tyler Moore. Interesting. It's not numbered, so. Drew Pomeranz, Marcus Stroman, Daniel Murphy, All-Star Game, and Yasuo Puig, All-Star Game. Pretty cool. All right. That was the 2014 Topps update. Now we have the 2017 Topps Chrome. And here we're looking for base cards of Cody Bellinger, Aaron Judge, Alex Bregman, Yoan Moncada, Andrew Benintendi, and Matt Olson. And then autos of basically all the names I just mentioned, plus a few more. All right, here we go. And we have Jason Kipnis, Future Stars, Lucas Giolito, Julio Urias, rookie card, and Seth Lugo. All right. Next up, we have 2017 Topps Heritage High Number. So basically, we're looking for base or variations of Cody Bellinger and Matt Olson. All right. And we have Corey Nebel, Brandon Geyer, Tyler Clippard, Archie Bradley, Zach Wheeler, Seth Lugo, rookie card, Koji Urera, Chase Anderson, and Brad Ziegler. Nothing going on there. Next up, we have a 2017 Topps update. So we're looking for base and parallel cards of Cody Bellinger, Matt Chapman, Luke Voigt, Aaron Judge, Alex Bregman, Yoan Moncada, Andrew Benintendi, Luis Castillo, Paul DeJong, and Josh Hader. And then image variations of the basically the same names I just mentioned. And we have this Alberto Bonilla, Sam Travis, rookie card, Christian Arroyo, rookie card, Francis Marte, rookie card, Emilio Pagan, rookie card, Marcel Ozuna, All-Star Game, Rajai Davis, DJ LeMahieu, All-Star Game, Max Scherzer, and Derek Fisher, rookie card, rookie debut. All right. Next up, we have the 2018 Topps update. So here we're looking for base and parallel cards of Ronald Acuna, Juan Soto, Gleyber Torres, Shohei Ohtani, Austin Meadows, and variations of basically the same names I've mentioned before, plus a few more. So here we go. Oh, we got a hit in the back. And we have Mark Reynolds, Nick Markakis, Nick Kingman, rookie card. Here's a Soroka rookie card. Pretty cool. International Affairs, Wilson Contreras, John Lester, Amy Barria, rookie card, Fernando Romero, rookie card. Here's a Bryce Harper All-Star Game, and an Aaron Judge All-Star Game. I thought it was the rookie. Come off by a year. All right, next up is 2019 Topps Chrome. And here we're basically looking for base cards of Vlad, Fernando Tatis, Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez, and then autos of the same guys, plus Christian Hura, Kyle Tucker, Austin Riley, Michael Kopech, Nick Senzel, Brendan Rodgers, Ramon Laureano, Chris Paddock, Will Smith, and Luis Urias. And we have Billy Hamilton. Looks like we got something coming up. Gregory Polanco, Joey Gallo. Guess it's a prism. And Scooter Gennett. All right, nothing going on there. Next up, we have the Topps Chrome 2019 update. And here we're looking for base cards of Vlad, Keston Hura, Carter Kieboom, Luis Arias, Austin Riley, Nick Senzel, Chris Paddock, Cam Biggio, Will Smith, Mike Yastrzemski, Michael Chavis, Oscar Mercado, and Brian Reynolds. And also rookie debuts of some of those and autos of some of those guys. Let's take a look and see what we got. And we have Harold Ramirez, rookie card. Ooh, here's a Chris Paddock rookie card, rookie debut. I think that's one of the guys that we were looking for. Yep. It's Chris Paddock, pretty cool. Gary Sanchez. And Family Business, Manny Machado. All right, next up is Topps 2019 Series 2. And here we're looking for the short print of Vlad Guerrero and the base and parallel cards of Fernando Tatis, Pete Alonso, and Eloy Jimenez. And we have Tyler O'Neill, Future Stars, Jacob Faria, Jeff Mathis. Here's Ohtani Gets Hot. Interesting. Huh. It's got some Chinese or Japanese letters on there. That's kind of interesting. I wonder if it's a variation. Huh. Diamondbacks, Arizona. Cleveland Indians card. Here's a Taylor Davis gold stamp. Roberto Osuna. Taylor Davis base. Hyunjin Ryu, Eduardo Escobar, Christopher Negron, Tony Kemp, and Mike Volty-Newitz. All right, looks like that's final pack. So we have the 2019 update series. Here we're looking for base and parallel cards of Vlad, Keston Hura, Carter Kieboom, Luis Arias, Austin Riley, Nick Senzel, Brendan Rodgers, Chris Paddock, Cam Biggio, Will Smith, Mike Yastrzemski, Michael Chavis, Oscar Mercado, And also rookie debuts and image variations of basically the same guys I mentioned. Oh, got a Mike Trout in the back. That's pretty cool. All right. And we have Trevor Cahill, Ryan Harper, rookie card. Peter Lambert, rookie card. Mike Moustakas. Scott Oberg. Carlos Santana, All-Star Game. Rookie combos, Matt Witherspoon and Brandon Klein. Gold card of Soaring in the 6. Toronto celebrates walk-off with Vlad in the picture. That's pretty cool. Numbered out of 2019. Justin Bohr. Edwin Diaz. Shelby Miller. Wei Chai-Yuan, rookie card. Nick Marchevicius. And the Mike Trout All-Star Game. So overall, not bad. You know, would have liked to have gone bigger hits, but can't get those every month, you know. But definitely some nice cards. Quick recap. So got the Mike Trout All-Star Game 2019 Topps update. Also got the gold card of this insert Soaring in the 6. Toronto celebrates walk-off with Vlad in the picture. That's pretty cool. Numbered out of 2019. Got a rookie debut, Chris Paddock, Topps Chrome. Got a Soroka. Oh, actually, I didn't notice. I think it's a gold card. Yeah. Numbered out of 2018. Pretty cool. Really sweet. Gold card of Soroka. Got a gold card of Aroldis Chapman. I think this is his second year. Bowman. 2013. Got Carlos Martinez. First Bowman Crow. So that's pretty cool. Gotta look and see. Not sure if this is worth anything, but looks cool. So got a Bumgarner Bowman. I think this is a second year card. And for the 81 Fleer, got a Johnny Bench. Fortunately, it's off-centered and has a, oh, it's got a dimple right there. A couple marks on the side. So, but oh well. And pretty sweet Dave Winfield. 81 Fleer. Pretty cool. It's off-centered, but, you know. And Dale Murphy, 81 Fleer. So that's pretty cool, too. So that was it for the this month's Volume 11, our Rookie Card Explosion box. Not bad. You know, definitely looking forward to every month getting the Rookie Card Explosion box. So looking forward to next month's. All right, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm coming out with new material very frequently, you know, a few times a week. So I got the some PSA submissions that are in the process. It's taken a while to get those cards back, but I got that, and always on the lookout for mail bin goodies and new material coming out soon. All right, guys, subscribe, like the video, and peace out.